year over year at the end of 2023 compared to 2022. Happy New Year! It's Friday, January 5th, 2024. This is your weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates every Friday so you stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. With the continued inventory shortages in the area, it is likely that prices will continue to grow at a faster pace than statewide or nationally. December 2023 sales confirm Annapolis home prices are up and homes are still selling quickly in 12 days and at 100% list to sold ratio at the end of December. This past week, only 116 properties are for sale, which indicates that those who are thinking of selling should get on the market sooner rather than waiting. 12 homes are coming soon to the market. 11 homes hit the market over the past week. 10 went under contract. 2 moved to pending. 14 homes sold at 100.2% list to sold ratio and selling in 12 days. The highest priced home to sell over the week was actually the church in Eastport on Bay Ridge Road for $1,400,000. Rentals in Annapolis are at $38 for rent at a median $29.88 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, January 5th. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.